I will test FPS booster. Let's test no fog and let's test full bright. As you can see, we boosted our FPS a lot. Yo people, what is up and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I got Fisch Macro script for mobile with no PC, guys, and every script for Fisch, guys, you can use it for absolutely free using your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. As I said, guys, it's absolutely free, safe and online, and you don't have to download any modded APKs or any software that will harm your device. So just follow my steps and I will show you everything step by step. So go to Google or any browser you got and navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You'll find it easily, guys, and click on browse scripts. And there, guys, we will click on Fisch. So click there and we will open an online tool for Fisch script and Fisch macro. So guys, we'll have to enter our Roblox user ID here. So if you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, just go to roblox.com, log in and copy your URL and paste there. So let me quickly show you. So go to your profile, as you can see, that's mine. Copy your URL and let's get back to the tool. Click on this button to paste it. It will automatically scrape only your user ID. So click continue, guys, and it should search for our account, guys. As you can see, user found, nice. So as you can see, guys, my account is connected, nice. That's my name, that's my avatar. And guys, now you select this. Do you have Delta Executor on your Roblox account, guys? I have no. And if you want to import, just click here. So it's really important for our Fisch macro and Fisch script. We will use it with Delta Executor. So now it's really important step to select a script. Select this, guys, Forge Hub. It's really important for Fisch macro. And as you can see, we're band protected. Just click continue and it should continue to next step. And guys, API is connecting, as you can see, nice. So make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of tutorials. I will record it more, guys, so just stay in touch. Okay, as you can see, API is connected, nice, guys. Our user account is connected and our activation key is generated. So guys, as you can see, we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, guys, and it will redirect us to the manual verification, and our Fisch macro script with key is ready to be imported to our account, guys. So we will have a list of free tasks and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So guys, make sure to complete only 2 tasks from this list by your choice. So for my opinion, the best thing you can do is to download apps, or you can simply do these questionnaires. It's really simple. So just click get, just click go, and it will load it and you just fill this questionnaire. It's really easy. So guys, what will I do now? I will download TikTok and this swag box. So it's really easy. Click free, click go, it will start downloading from the official publishers. I mean, if you're using your Android phone, it will start downloading from Google Play, and if you're using your iOS phone, it will start downloading from the App Store. So guys, it's really important to follow their instructions. So for TikTok, I will download and install this, then run it for 30 seconds. And for Swagbox, I will install it, open and download first to recommend games. So guys, you can also do these questionnaires there, much easier, but it's up to you. So see you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
1 minute later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task from this list, as I said, and I got this message, guys. You completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and still nothing redirects me. So let's wait together. Let's hope. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Fisch macro script is imported to your account, guys. Nice. Our user ID and our key is connected, as you can see. Nice. So the last step is to open our Roblox and to test, guys, our Fisch macro and Fisch script. So let's click on Fisch. There we go. Click there, guys. Let's click play. So wait it to load up and we will rotate phone. So let's see, does it actually work, guys? I'm so excited. So Still nothing, guys. We got nothing. Okay. Nice, guys. As you can see, we got Delta Executor, and now we will have this Forge Hub pre-installed script that we wanted. So just click execute, guys, and let's test our Fisch Macro. As you can see, it's loading nice. So guys, let's see, does it actually work? I will try to get a lot of settings, how to get out of there. Wait, let me get out. Okay. So guys, now we will test this, how does it work. So as you can see, guys, it's loaded, and we will have these farms. As you can see, enable farming, auto equip road, auto cast, auto shakes, guys, everything for absolutely free without downloading anything. So let's test something, guys. I will test FPS booster, let's test no fog, and let's test full bright. As you can see, we boosted our FPS a lot, and now we will test farming. So let's click auto cast, auto shakes, auto equip, auto reel, auto catch, sell. So guys, it works amazing. As you can see, this Fisch script online is working amazing. So blocksforge.com is website where you can get all these amazing features for free. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much once again, and see you in the next video.